go for the fit. Oh, look at that. I mean, like a glove. So this is what you got to do when you don't have a mill. Makeshift mill. Look at that. Let's see how it goes. So basically what I've done here is I've drilled several previous holes, a pilot hole, and then I stepped up to a larger size, and then now I'm at the size that I need for the pin. That way I could control the bit a little better and get some better accuracy and not stress out the part or the drill press. So this guy, after I drilled it, had some burrs in the inside. So we're going to stick it back in the lathe here, and we're going to run the 5/8 through the center to clear that out. And just like that, it's cleared. Pretty impressed with being able to make this part with such limited equipment.
You know, if you put your mind to it, you can accomplish anything.
I'm pretty damn impressed with myself. I mean, considering the equipment that I'm having to use to do this, check this out. I mean, that is extremely tight. Very, very happy with it. And that goes in like a glove. All right, so it's been a very exhausting day. Got both of these quick couplings done. Come to find out, this one over here, I'm off a little bit on the on this hole that the pin goes in. It's just a hair to the inside, but not the end of the world. I did throw a washer on this one over here. I think it's gonna be totally fine. So going to connect up the track tube. This is how this works. This goes in here like this. Now I don't have the correct collars yet. Put these screws in here to align this. These collars are the old design. It does not have the cutout, and the threads here are incorrect, but we're going to get some of these here soon. However, I still can go ahead and put this together. I got these pins. I am so going to trade these in for the ones that have a button and it allows you to pull this ball in when you pull them in and out, because I tell you what, this is quite a workout, and there's something to be said about those other pins. But these will work for now. Basically, they go in like this. And I mean, this is pretty dang tight. Pretty dang tight. In fact, I already hurt myself on this thing because the pin went in and it pinched me. Okay, I had to break away for a minute. This thing's got me sweating. I got it on there though. Look at this. These tracks are locked together. What I did is I put some tape on these rings for now because they are like killing my fingers. But look at this. Pulls right out. No problem. Put it back in. No problem. This one's a little harder, but there we go. Just need a little persuading. We are locked and loaded on this. So yeah, I'm pretty dang happy with it. On to the next step.